Once upon a time, there was a sailor, and he had a beautiful house by the river. He had a very intelligent parrot, who was not only beautiful but also used to solve people's problems. His fame had spread far and wide. Once, the sailor was catching fish when suddenly a very beautiful golden fish came into his net. When the sailor started to cut it, the fish suddenly started speaking.
Please let me go. Let me go. Seeing the fish talk like an ordinary human, the sailor was amazed. As the sailor was fundamentally a kind-hearted person, he felt a lot of mercy for the golden fish and released it into the water. Suddenly, in no time, the fish transformed into a fairy's form, and she thanked the sailor and told him that it was a genie who had turned the golden fish with the power of his magic. She said, "It is your fate if someone catches you and cuts and eats you, or lets you go. I'm glad I fell into the hands of a kind person. Perhaps if it were someone else, they would have cut and eaten me. If you ever need help in life, remember me. I will help you." Saying this, she flew away. One day, the king of the same country went out for hunting. He was searching for prey all day when he came near the sailor's house in the forest. When his soldiers told him about this rare parrot, he was surprised and wanted to see it. The king liked the parrot very much. He called the sailor to the court and said to give him this rare parrot. The sailor was very worried. He said that he holds this parrot dearer than his own life. "How can I give it to you?" Then the king said, "I will build you a palace. But still, if you don't agree, then this is my condition, that you answer my 2 questions. If you cannot answer my questions, then this parrot will be mine forever. But if you answer, then not only will I let the parrot stay with you, but I will also give you so much wealth that your 7 generations will live a very comfortable life."
The sailor asked, "What are those 2 questions?"
The king said, "My first question is, what is that thing that is behind the other? My second question is, what are those 2 things that first become 4, then 2, and then 3?
The king gave him a week's time. The sailor came home, thinking about these 2 questions, and started worrying. He kept thinking about these questions all the time.
Even his night's sleep flew away, but he could not find the answers to these questions. In the end, even the parrot also started seeing its owner worried. One day it asked, "What is the matter? Tell me. Let me solve your problem."
The sailor told him his problem, that tomorrow is the last day, and if I do not tell the king the answers to these questions by tomorrow morning, he will take you away forever. The parrot thought for a while. Suddenly he remembered that a few days ago, the sailor had told him the incident of the golden fish. He said that he had taken help from the kind-hearted fairy. Thinking of the fairy, he called her. In a short while, the fairy appeared. The sailor told the fairy the whole incident of the king.
In just a minute, the fairy told the sailor the answers to both questions. He thanked the fairy and went to bed very comfortably. In the morning, when the king's servants came to call the sailor to the court, he went with them. The king was thinking that the sailor would not be able to answer these questions. "Now he will give me my parrot," he asked. "Did you bring the answers to my 2 questions?" The sailor replied, "Your first question was what is that thing which is behind the other? The answer is day and night, which are behind each other. Your second question was what are those 2 things that first become 4, then 2, and then 3? So the answer is, human legs. When a human is a little child, he walks with 2 hands and 2 feet, meaning 4. Then when he grows up, he walks with 2 legs, meaning 2. And when he becomes old, he walks with 2 legs and 1 stick, meaning 3.
The king was astonished to hear the sailor's answer. When he asked who told you the answers to these questions, he told him about the incident of the kind-hearted fairy. So the king abandoned the decision to obtain the parrot and gave the sailor a lot of wealth and riches. The moral of the story is that kindness and compassion can lead to unexpected rewards and help in times of need. By showing mercy to the golden fish, the sailor gained a powerful ally in the fairy, who later helped him overcome a difficult challenge. The sailor's kindness and the fairy's gratitude remind us that good deeds never go unrewarded. Join us on more magical adventures by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this story with your friends. Your support helps us bring more enchanting tales to life. Thank you for watching.